come onto the mat. Check your feet about hip width apart. And inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. And inhale, bring your right arm up. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale back. Exhale, release. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale back. Exhale, release. Inhale up. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale back. Exhale, release. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale back. Exhale, release. Then bend forward. Interlock your hands, your arms, and hang. And inhale. Exhale, turn to the right. Inhale back. Exhale to the left. Inhale back. Exhale to the right. Inhale back. Exhale to the left. And then release. Curl back up, one vertebra at a time. Shoulders up, back and down. Then inhale, bring your arms up. Interlock your fingers and arch your back. Exhale down. Inhale up. Interlock your fingers and arch your back. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale. Arch. Exhale down. And open your legs. Then bring your hands onto your waist. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Interlock your hands and try reach your hands towards the ground. Inhale. Exhale, bring your right hand on the ground in the middle of the feet. Left arm towards the sky. Inhale. Exhale, left arm on the ground, left hand on the ground, right arm towards the sky as you inhale. Bring the hand back on the ground. Try bring your chest towards the ground. And bring the hands on the waist. Inhale, look up. Exhale, come back. And rotate your right foot out. Bring the left arm up. Inhale. Exhale, bend to the right. Bend as far down as you can. Inhale back. Exhale, Release and change your leg. Inhale, exhale, bend to the left. Inhale back. Exhale, release and bring your feet back to the hip width apart. And sit down. Open your knees, palm together, squatting. And finish. Release. Sit down in any comfortable position. And let go. Namaste.